In today's lesson we're going to look at the classic Benny King song Stand By Me. Now this is a great piece for people that have just started playing because there are only 4 chords in the piece. Now this version I've changed the key from the original one to make it a little bit easier to play. So let's have a look at the chords that are involved. The first chord is G major. So we play this by placing your index finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, 2nd finger on the 6th string 3rd fret, 3rd finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret and little finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. We then take your pick and strum all the way down from string number 6. Our next chord is E minor, and you can play this by placing your 2nd finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 4th string 3rd fret and again strumming all the strings from the 6th string. The next chord is a C chord, and this is played by placing your 1st finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, your 2nd finger on the 4th string 2nd fret and your 3rd finger on the 5th string 3rd fret and then strumming all the way down from string number 5. The next chord is a D chord. This is played by placing your 1st finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, 1st finger on the 1st string 2nd fret and 3rd finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret. You then strum down from string number 4. So let's play these chords in order. So we have G, another bar G, then E minor, then C, then D, and then G, and then G again. The strumming pattern works like this. I'm strumming on the 1st beat of the bar and the 3rd beat of the bar. So if we count our bar off, it would be something like this. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice on the 2nd and 4th beat what I'm doing is putting my hand on the strings to stop the chord from ringing. So if I show you that in context, it will work something like this. So the whole pattern should look something like this. So starting with the G chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. So you should notice that through that whole strumming pattern I was strumming on the 1st beat and the 3rd beat of the bar, and to stop the strings from ringing on the 2nd and 4th beat of the bar I put my hand on the strings. This is a great song to learn and have in your collection if you've just started out playing. I'll put a link to the backing track that I've been using so you can play along. If you want to play along with the original, you need to remember that it's in the key of A. So if you want to play along with this one, you'll need to put a capo on the 2nd fret and move your chord shapes up accordingly, but you can use the same chord shapes and it will work. Have fun, see you next time.